welcome to India's first fully automatic washing machine demo, the 3-in-1 Laundry Magic Wash, Dry, Refresh. If any option is available for the selected program, the option icon blinks continuously. You can choose the desired option by pressing on it. In case of asterisk icon, press and hold for 3 seconds to activate the option. Once the option is activated, the blinking LED will glow continuously. Guess what? You can personalize the programs exactly the way you would like your clothes to be washed. For example, you want extra rinse with mixed daily program, but do not want to select the option separately every time you use the program. So you can use the favorite option to design your own program. How? Follow these steps. 1. Select a program, say Mixed Daily. Now select an option from what you see on the top and bottom of the display. This is what you want to run every time with this program. Say Extra Rinse. Next, press and hold Eco Favorite button for 3 seconds. The Mixed Daily program will now always show Extra Rinse option selected by default. Now anytime you select the program, it will show your personalized setting and not the default ones. If you wish to reset to factory settings, follow the same step. Press and hold the Eco Favorite button for 3 seconds. Let's quickly go through the options your machine offers. Laundry Add allows adding garments even after the program has started. The Eco option saves electricity, water and detergent. It's a slower wash program, therefore takes a longer time without any compromise to wash quality. Extra Rinse allows you to add 1 additional rinse cycle to the selected program. Hot Rinse allows you to add 1 additional rinse with hot water for extra hygiene. Pre-wash is a preliminary wash before the main wash starts. This is ideal for heavily soiled clothes, curtains, bed linens, and bath and kitchen towels. Time Saver is when you need clothes to be washed quickly. It is not recommended for heavily soiled garments or linen. Time Delay. This option lets you start the machine anytime you want within a 24-hour cycle. Rinse Hold reduces the creases on the clothes if left unattended after the final spin for a long time. Tub Clean eliminates impurities, scaling, mold buildup, and unpleasant smells from the washing machine. Temperature lets you select the desired temperature based on the garments you are washing. Please follow the wash care instructions on the label attached to your garment before selecting the temperature. Child Lock. This safety feature prevents the program selection and wash options being tampered with by children. All the above options can be activated by pressing on the option. In case of asterisk icon, press and hold for 3 seconds to activate the option. Hope this helps you to understand how to use the wash programs and options available with your Laundry Magic.